On the previous episode of the van build series, I created a wood structure, installed a super cool swivel seat, and made a hole in the ceiling to fit the fan. But somehow the van was still empty, and I want to fix that. But unfortunately, it never goes according to plan. So there's a small setback here. My plan was to start with the van insulation, but as I was installing the fan the other day, I noticed there's a bit of rust on the ceiling. It's nothing too serious, at least I hope so. But there's a bit of rust, especially between the metal sheets. And I definitely need to fix that first, because once I put on the insulation on the inside, it's going to be really difficult to access the underside of the ceiling. So I need to make sure the ceiling is in perfect condition before I put on the insulation, because I don't want water to get inside the van. So that's what I'm going to do now.
Romance will through the hours, and outdoor paradise for two.
Well, the rust is gone for now. Hopefully it will last. Oh, and by the way, this is just temporary paint. I'll paint the van a different color once the build is complete. You see all this space here? It's a bit of a waste, right? So I'm going to build a shelf. This is not working. This is my first time using an angle grinder. Let's see how this goes. I'm a bit nervous. Success!
Just direct your feet to the sunny side of the street. Can't you hear a pitter pat? And that happy tune is your step. Life can be so sweet on the sunny side of the street.
Alright, it's fixed. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Oh, it's fixed. It's not moving. Woohoo!
If I ever have a cent, I'll be rich as Rockefeller. Gold dust at my feet on the sun.
It took me a while, but it's finally done. And since it's my first wood build, I honestly couldn't be happier with the results. And now that this part is over, it's finally time to insulate the van. So here's the plan. The fan is made out of metal, hence the black rubber, to help with sound deadening. Then I'm using XPS or rock wool as the main insulation, but mainly XPS. Then comes the vapor barrier, and lastly, the wood. There's a lot to do, so let's get back to work. The insulation is almost completed, but I made a big mess. Oh my god. While I'm working on the insulation, I have to start running the cables for the electrical system because once the insulation is completed, there won't be much space for the cables to go through. So that's what I'm going to do now. The insulation and all the electrical cables are almost done, which means I'm going to insulate the floor. I'm going to use the old floor as the template for the new floor.
Back the knife. Back the knife. Back the knife.
Oh, it's looking good. It just needs a bit of sanding. Hey, what's up, man? What's up? Dude, are you kidding me? Where's the video? We signed a contract with Skillshare. Man, I've been working on the van. I'm actually going to start covering the walls this week, and I think it would be a cool ending for the next episode. Can we just postpone it?
Dude, you're always postponing things. The sponsor is waiting, people are waiting.
Just 1 week.
No way.
3 days?
Dude, I'm not going to repeat this.
Alright.
Do you remember the Skillshare plug?
Of course I do. Skillshare is an online community for creative people with thousands of classes on all different kinds of topics like...
Video, photography, and design.
Yeah, exactly. Photography, video, design.
And don't forget to mention your class.
The one about solo traveling?
Obviously.
But my subscribers already know about it.
I don't care, just do it.
Okay.
And the link part, you know it?
Yeah, because Skillshare is sponsoring this video. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium.
Good. Don't forget, the annual subscription is less than $10 a month.
I know.
Good. Alright, I'll see you later.
Bye. Alright, I guess I have to end this video here. I promise the van won't be empty in the next episode. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing or leaving a like or sharing. It helps a lot. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.